The Race, Nisha Panchali. Profile of Nisha Panchali. Tarun, the central character of the story, The Race, was a mediocre student. His scores didn't satisfy his parents. He was not a good singer, dancer, painter, or even an actor. He considered himself as the black sheep of the family because his brother was good in studies and parents were proud about him. However, he was blessed with the strength of a great athlete. He was an excellent runner. He would run for hours. Whenever he felt sad and lonely, he exhausted himself by running, thus releasing all his pent-up emotions. At times, he would miss the school bus and would then run to school, which was 5 miles away from his home. He just had one dream: to become the fastest runner in the world. Tarun didn't know how to achieve his dream because he had no support from his parents, and also he belonged to a middle class family. Good coaching costs money. When Tarun failed in his terminal examinations, his father was very angry with him. His friends too made fun of him. As usual, he wanted to wipe out his pent-up emotions. He took to running. He ran all around the park. The sun beat down to check his rage, but nothing could stop Tarun. After about an hour, he was fully exhausted, and his fury having subsided, he threw himself on a bench and started panting heavily. Suddenly, he heard a voice near him. A man of about 60 asked him what happened to him. Tarun told him all that happened. The man consoled him that life is full of ups and downs, and added Tarun was one of the best runners he had ever seen. He introduced himself as Ram Narayan. Tarun was wonderstruck and asked if he was the same Ram Narayan who won an Olympic medal in the 400-meter race in 1960s. Tarun couldn't hide his excitement. Yes, Tarun was right. He was an Olympian. Ram Narayan continued that he had been watching him for the past 45 minutes and he saw a good future in him. He advised he should never give up the passion burning in him. He asked whether he had joined some training school. Tarun's face faded. He said it was not possible because training school is very expensive and he had no income. Ram Narayan said he would train him with a condition that Tarun must participate and win the race on Children's Day at the Nehru Stadium. Tarun was with full confidence. He promised Ram Narayan to win the race. The next day brought a new ray of hope. He wanted to prove before his father that he was not really the black sheep of the family. He started practicing zealously. Every day he used to run up to 10 miles in the morning. In the evenings, he would time himself according to the 1,000-meter distance prescribed by the competition. He wanted everything to be perfect. His mother was in full support for him. It was 14th November. Bowing low for the blessing of his mother, he went out for the race. Ram Narayan wished him all the best. Tarun smiled at him but did not say a word. Fear had gripped him from head to foot. All the participants lined up. Every face glittered with the hope of winning the race. Each one of them had his own family and friends in the stands to cheer for him. To his amazement, Tarun caught sight of his mother in the stands. The fear in his eyes gave way to confidence. The whistle blew, and all the participants started off with all their might. All were determined to win. In the lead was Tarun. He felt very proud of himself. But on the track, there was a shallow path. As Tarun did not notice that, he slipped. He saw the other kids going past him. Without wasting any time, he got up and ran and overtook a few kids ahead of him. But as the fate had it, he slipped for the second and third time. Tears were rolling down his cheeks. He had mixed up feelings in his mind. He looked into the crowd and saw his mother. She was saying something to him. "Get up, son. Get up and run." Then he heard the screaming of Ramnarayan somewhere. "Come on, Tarun, run!" The 12-year-old determined boy, who was last on the track, got up and ran with all the strength he had. The crowd was cheering for the boy who had won the race. But to Tarun's surprise, there was a louder applause when he crossed the finishing line. Last, the audience cheered for his determination and his valor for never giving up. Tarun stood before Ramnarayan with a guilty feeling. But surprisingly, he said, "Son, to me you have won the toughest race, the race of your life." He got up and started afresh. Each time you fell. You are a real life hero. Your training starts tomorrow. Tarun could not believe his ears. Tears filled his eyes again. He smiled at his mother, who hugged him and said, "You are the best son in the world."